Google has introduced the latest Pixel 9a. It appears that it will be a sequel to the Pixel 9 series. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. There's a already touch screen display with 6.3 inches screen size that will deliver an amazing resolution of 1080 by 2424 pixels and 120Hz refresh rate with 2700 nits peak brightness. The smartphone will run on powerful Google Tensor G4 4nm chipset and it will handle multiple applications at once without any errors or lags. Protection of Corning Gorilla Glass series. The smartphone has massive RAM of 8GB with 128 and 256GB of internal memory. It is packed with a dual camera system consisting of 48 megapixel wide and 13 megapixel ultra wide to capture your beautiful movements. Google Pixel 9a has an under-display optical fingerprint scanner. There is a 5100 mAh battery cell and you will be able to charge in a couple of minutes because of its 23 watt fast charging support. The smartphone will run on Android 15 operating system. That's all for now and thanks for watching.